Hey guys, today we are talking all about channel art. I'm going to show you how to design it and how to upload it onto your YouTube channel. Now, channel art is super important when you are branding your YouTube channel. As you can tell from looking at my channel right now, I've replaced my channel art for the intent of showing you how to upload new art to it, but I've put some like generic photo on there and you can't even tell like what this channel is about when you go here. You're like, mountains and clouds and what's this? It's not me. It's not my brand. It's very generic, very boring. And your channel art is huge because when people first visit your YouTube channel who don't know you, they want to know what your channel is about. And channel art is a really great way to communicate that. So to start creating your art, I want you to open a Canva account. It's completely free to do. You don't need to pay for it or anything. Just sign in with your email address. Canva is amazing for making you look like an awesome graphic designer, even if you've never touched Photoshop before. They have all these amazing templates, and you can use their pre-designed graphics and everything so that you are able to design graphics for all kinds of social media, for for events, for letterheads, for like print and digital. Like it's all over the board. So when you go into Canva, you will click create a design. And these are all your options. You can do your YouTube thumbnails here, which is what I do, and all these things. But today, let me take a drink of this. I'm a little crazy right now. Today we're focusing on channel art. Yay! So click the YouTube channel art template. You can also scroll down here if it's not under recommended for you, and it will be under the heading social media and email headers. And you just click YouTube channel art. That will open a brand new file, a new graphic, and it's blank, completely blank. So it's up to your imagination to fill it in. Now, here's the tricky part about YouTube channel art. Are you ready? Oh, just hit something. Look at your YouTube channel, just look at my YouTube channel right there. And now let's look at the channel art. Do you notice a difference in size? Yeah, the channel art template is a lot taller than what it is on YouTube and the way that it does appear on your YouTube channel. So when you create channel art, the only part that is going to show up is the I'm going to do just to show you, is like the part right in the middle. So it's going to be like there. It's going to be like there to there. That's about the size. So you want to fit everything that you want to say into that box. Now you also want to fill out the rest of the box, but I'll show you how to do that. But everything that is so important that you want to say and that you want to communicate must be like within these parameters right here. I'm going to delete that. Okay, so when you click layouts, Canva has all these incredible options for layouts. As you can see though, like doing something like this, it's not going to fit on your YouTube channel. In fact, you'll only see like a mouth and like two mouths and a boxing gloves. Like, I don't know, that's kind of weird, right? So I am going to find a graphic template that I enjoy, that I like, and that I can brand to be very like Paige, because that's what my channel is all about. It's all about Paige. So let's scroll down. Here's one that I like. Glide Shine. Super colorful and out there. And this actually looks like it might be a YouTube thumbnail or something. But I'm going to go in and instead of Glide Shine, because that has nothing to do with my brand, I'm going to do Paige and then media. So I love this print right here, like this script that they have. It's very big right here. And because I want it to fit into the middle, I'm going to make it like a 104. That's actually too small. Let's do a 120. And let's move it over closer to the middle where people will see it, like right there. Let's do this one as a 120 as well. And condense it. Now it'll take some time for you to figure out what you want your channel to look like, specifically like what kind of colors you want to use, what type of templates you're going to use and all of that stuff. So give yourself some time. I've done this several times, so I've got it down. So now here is a place where you have the option of telling people what your channel is all about. So for me, I do weekly videos about video. Super simple, sweet, to the point, concise. I love it. It's a little poppy too. So spacing, let me space these letters a little closer together, like that. I'm actually going to make it smaller. You might actually feel like it's too small. Don't worry, it's not. All right. So let's center this. Great. Page Media, let's do this in my Page Media colors. Now I have my brand colors on here all ready to go. We're changing all of the yellows to pink. Amazing. Now, I could leave it like this. This is totally fine. However, I want a photo in the background, and I'm going to actually have already uploaded these photos. I have tons of my own photos in my Canva library already. If you don't, all you do is click upload your own images, and then you have the option, you can find them wherever they are on your desktop or computer. So I'm going to use this image right here, and I just drag that, and look how it just positions itself beautifully to the background of my channel art. And I think this looks pretty good. I think the only thing is maybe the Page Media is not super centered, and I don't think you'll be able to see, once I upload it, you'll be able to tell, but I'm not sure you'll be able to see all of the page and all of the media. It might get cut off on the top and bottom. I'm okay with that. But look how much more like page this is, right, than the other mountain thing that I had before. So now we're going to download it. Once you're ready, just click download, and it'll tell you to hold tight. So you're going to have some tea while you're waiting. Tea. So good. So good. And you're going to like breathe, maybe meditate for a little while. You know, if that's something that you like to do. All right, cool. Ready and downloading. It has been saved to my downloads. It is right here. So now I'm going to go back over to my YouTube channel. When you're on your channel and you go to your main channel, which is you click the top right corner, your logo or your photo right there, you're going to click this, My Channel, and it will go to the front page of your channel. You can hover your cursor over the art, over the channel art. So watch, hover, and then this appears, which is this little camera button. Click that, and this is where you can upload your photos. So you can select a photo from your computer, or you just find it and drag and drop, which is the best thing that's ever been invented, the drag and drop tool. Uploading, uploading, uploading. Wow! So look, I was right. It does get cut off right here. You can't make this any bigger. Do you see how like kind of annoying this can be? But you can see that there's like a photo in the background that's mine. It's branded like me. The only thing is the weekly and video might be a little too wide, but let's try it. Let's just select and see how it looks. That's really the only way to test this. And then you might have to do some tweaks. Actually, that looks pretty great. I love that. You can see that there's like a little bit of a camera in the background. You get some of my like skin and my leather jacket. The Page Media is hidden, but you get the point. And the real thing that I want people to see in my art is weekly videos about video. And that is the main headline, the main tagline of what I'm selling on here, what I'm promoting. So there you go. There is your YouTube channel art tutorial. This might take some time. It might take some going back and tweaking here and there to really get it right. be patient with it. Every time you upload it, you'll learn a little something new about how you want to tweak it. And it'll just get easier and easier the more you do it. So there you go. There is my channel art. How good does my channel look now? We've got like the pink pops in there and then the black and white, which I totally love, and it's so on brand for me. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you want to see more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, because I put out lots of these little things, and I love to teach you how to do video stuff. So enjoy. Bye, guys.